In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your knock sensor on your Chevy Cruze. It's located underneath, above your exhaust pipe. You're going to pop your trunk. The button is on the driver's side door. The lid should open. Now you're going to pick up your carpet and pull it towards you so you reveal the battery in the back. And now we're going to go to the rear seat. Right here on both sides, you're going to pull on the handle at the same time and pull the whole back seat forward. We're going to remove our negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket. You could also use a wrench if you wanted to. Going to loosen that up. And remove it. Using a 13mm socket and an extension, I'm going to reach over here, feel for the bolt, and we're going to loosen up this bolt for the knock sensor. Once it's loose, you're going to continue to take out the bolt, and then after that we'll take off the connector. Once you remove that, the bolt comes with the sensor. Pull that away, and now you can see your connector a little easier. You're going to unlock this red tab by pushing it up. You may need a flathead screwdriver to do so. That's what it looks like when it's up. You're going to push here and disconnect the connector from the sensor. Like that. Let's install. We're going to connect our connector first. Make sure your red tab is still out. Hear that click and lock it in. It should look like this. Now we're going to line this up and put our bolt in. I'm going to get my socket and extension and put it in the rest of the way. Let's snug it up. We're going to torque this bolt to 18 foot-pounds. If you can't get your torque wrench in there, just do the best you can. Once you're done torquing that, you can connect your negative battery terminal and start your vehicle. Now you can put your negative on and tighten that one down as well. And now it's snug. Now you can reinstall your carpet for your trunk. You're going to slide it into place. And you can fold your seat up. Move your seat belts out of the way. I usually stick mine where the door latches, just to get them both out of the way. And then pick up your seat and lock it in place. Pull out your seat belts, put them back where they go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.